Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today I will show you Codia AI Design by Canva. So this is an app where you can get your design in editable layers. Okay, so you can upload here any images. Like this is the image. You can see this is image, and here I want to this image editable. Okay, so this image you can upload in Codia AI. So you have to do first go to canva.com and you have to search already here in the Chrome section, Chrome search bar, Codia AI Canva. Then you can get this app. Okay, so here you can use it. Just you can see the app. So use in here is the option use in existing design or use in new design. So you can choose anyone using new design. So you can choose the custom size. So here I write the size. Okay, then create new design. Click the button create new design, and here you can see the Codia AI Design app. You can also find this app from the apps bar. Okay, so here you can drag and drop your image. So go to your file location and just drag and drop your image. Okay, so Codia AI make your image fully editable. So this is the design you can see, and you have to click add to design. So it scan your design, and in a few seconds you will see the result. Your image is fully editable. Okay, so just see the final result. So you can see that your image will be editable. Your image is editable layer by layer, and all the elements, all the designs, all the text images will be editable. Okay, so this is complete. So you can see that the font style is little bit changed, but you can set the font style here also. Okay, you can set here this font style, but everything is in editable layer. You can see that everything is editable, everything, and you can change also the color. Okay, here is the layers, and here you can see the layers. Okay, you can change the colors also. Here you can change the text also. Okay, text color also. So everything you can change here. Okay, everything you can change. So just basically your design will be editable by Codia AI. Okay, so if you want to download this, just click share and download, and choose your file type and press the download button. Then your image will be downloaded. Okay, so get these editable layers from Codia AI Design. Okay, if you like our video, then subscribe our channel and follow our channel for next videos. Thank you.